Namaste everyone, and welcome to day 4 of our meditation challenge. In today's class, we are going to focus on dharana, which means trying to ensure that our thoughts are focused on the same subject. So let's begin today's class. Come onto the sitting position on your mats, a simple cross-leg pose. Sit up tall, open the chest, roll your shoulders back. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra and place them at your knees. And when you feel ready, slowly and gently now, close your eyes. And with the eyes closed, start now to bring all your attention onto yourself. Trying to experience the changes that are happening in the breath, in the mind, and in the body. Try and see how you feel in this moment. Is it getting easier now to stay in this position? Are you feeling used to the practice? And are you able to stay completely silent? Focusing entirely on yourself. Keep the attention on your breath. And now we'll begin to focus on observing our thoughts. Just looking at the thoughts, not trying to get entangled in them, not trying to control them, but just taking a step back and observing what is happening on the surface. And with each passing thought, try and see, is this thought about the future? Is it about the past? Is it about the present? Is it about you or other people? Just trying to understand the very nature of the thoughts in our mind. Continue to stay calm. Keep breathing. And even if your mind wanders away in between, gently hold its hand and bring it back. Simply trying to do your best and trying to see who you are when you separate yourself from the thoughts. Now, as you get used to staying silent and observing your thoughts, try and see that when you get distracted, where does your mind go? Do you start to associate with your thoughts once again? Are you continuously able to keep that step back? And in case you get a little more distracted than usual, can you use your breath as a guide to gently bring you back? And what we're doing in class today is the very definition of the process of yoga. To observe the thoughts, to just witness them without trying to attach ourselves to them or get too enmeshed with them. Let us continue for a few more moments in complete silence. Even if it's a little challenging, let us discipline our minds a little bit and stay focused on witnessing our thoughts. In between, also check on your spine, your chest. Make sure that you're not dropping your posture even while you're focusing. Continue to hold and breathe. Just one more minute of staying silent, observing our thoughts, releasing all the tension we might be feeling in our bodies, and just completely surrendering to this process. Keep breathing. Last few seconds to go. Keep trying to experience the subtleties of your thought waves. Are your sentences continuous? Are they just a few words in between? Are they memories? Are they future projections? Try and experience all of it as a witness. And now, gently, after having observed your thoughts for a couple of minutes, let's now start to bring our attention back into the present moment, guiding ourselves to come back, becoming aware of the surroundings, the sounds, the smells, and just reconnecting with ourselves completely. And once you've done that, and you're feeling calm and relaxed, let's slowly move towards the end of today's meditation, bringing our hands into a Namaste at the chest. We'll chant one Om along with 3 Shantis. Let's inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And now gently rub your palms together to create some heat or friction. And then place the palms on your eyelids for some warmth. Gently release. Bring it in front of your chest. Open your eyes and slowly come back. Alright, so that was our meditation session for today. I hope that you were able to observe your thoughts a little bit just to see what is happening. Sometimes when I do it, I almost imagine like my thoughts are a television screen and I'm literally just observing one by one the ads coming and going. And that really helps me to detach from my thoughts and not feel like I'm a part of them. So just see if you like to use some device to help you visualize the thoughts as separate from you. Alright, with that, we will see you tomorrow in class for day 5. Do join us and we look forward to seeing you then. Namaste.